Welcome to the Aurora Smart Eye Tracker Setup Guide. First, let's make sure you have everything you need. Inside your box, you should find the eye tracker unit, the magnetic mount, the USB connection cable, cleaning wipes. To start the physical installation, grab a cleaning wipe. Thoroughly wipe down the bottom bezel of your monitor to ensure a strong grip. Once clean, grab the magnet. Apply the magnet to the dead middle of the bezel. Look for the small notch in the center of the magnet to use as a guide. If you want to be precise, feel free to use a ruler to find the exact center. Once the magnet is securely in place, simply grab your eye tracker and attach it to the mount as shown. The magnets will snap it into the correct position. Now, connect the USB cable to the port on the side of the eye tracker. Take the other end of the cable and plug it into a high-speed USB port on your PC. With the hardware ready, it's time for the software. Open the Smart Eye Setup application on your computer. From the main menu, select the Aurora image and then click on New Setup. Select Display and click Next. You will see a large letter A appear on your screen. Make sure this A is appearing on the specific monitor where you just mounted the eye tracker. If everything looks correct, click Next. This next part is crucial. You will see alignment lines on your screen. Move these lines until they match up perfectly with the left and right edges of the physical eye tracker. Once aligned, press the Enter key. Give your setup a name and click Finish. Your Aurora Smart Eye Tracker is now installed and calibrated.